Okay, folks, let's see what we come up with today. We're going to go to pattern-collections.com and find the pattern focus to find today's pattern. Promise I have popped in to look at see what the patterns are, but I haven't actually practiced with any of these, so we'll see how they go. This one is called Snowflower, and it was redrawn by Cindy Anderson, so thank you, Cindy. Okay, get in here so you guys can see. Step one, we are going to do a spiral, a closed spiral. Step two, we're going to make some rays coming out with little circles on the end. It looks like what we really want to do is go 8 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. Okay. Between those rays, then we're going to draw this shape. Comes out and then a V and then back down. And turn your tile out and a V and back down. Okay. So you want to make sure these are long enough that you have space in here to draw that shape. If they're too short, you won't have very much room for that shape. So they need to be relatively long. And then in these little petals, we're going to put some lines and you are done. And she's got them here like that. And so we'll see what we can muster up here. There's my pen. Here's a piece of paper, and let's just go for it. I'm going to draw my string gently like that, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it because this, well, it might lend itself to a composition with maybe 3, one here, and one here. Probably. Let's plan that out a little. One here, and one there. That will give me my string and approximate placement of these little guys. So I'm going to do the biggest one right there, and I'm going to start kind of in the middle of where I put my pencil mark. Right there like that with a spiral. We'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, so then I want 8 little arms. With plenty of space there. Actually, probably wanted it bigger. Can I make it bigger without goofing up those lines too much? It's hard to extend a line sometimes. I start with not touching it and follow that and then put my pen down. That helps me. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm not touching it and I'm following, and then I kind of land, and that helps me to end up in the right place and not have a weird spot. There, I wanted it bigger. So we want circles on the ends of those. Like so. And then in these spots we want something that comes, you know what, I might even make my V first and then bring it down. That will make me have a more consistent V shape at the top in each section, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do it like that. Okay. That's good. I like it. Okay. And then we want a couple of little lines in here. I think some of them just need one. Okay. Now to do the next one. And I want them overlapping, which is always a challenge. If you are not an advanced Zentangler, you might not want to try to overlap things. I like things overlapped, so, you know, sometimes it challenges me as to the pattern. But I'm just going to do it, just because. I'm going to have a circle like that, spiral. And then my stems coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make my circles on the ends of those. You don't see behind there, and there's that one. Okay, and then my little V shapes. And this one is back there. And this one is here. Like that. Oops, missed one. Like that, right? Right. You're a little close. Okay. Okay. Looking good. Got an overlap. That's what I was looking for. Bit of overlap. Then I want one more here, and then I'll be done. Although I do like, in the sample, she's got some, just the swirls. Just like filling some of these spaces. I like that. Kind of gives it a cohesion. Okay, so I want this one right here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and let that be in my spiral. And I think this one is going to have only 6 instead of 8, so I'm not going to do straight across this way. I'm going to do 2 like that, and 2 like that, because I want a bigger petal. You won't see that, and there's that one. Okay. Here and here and here and here. There we go. I like it with 6. I think that looks nice too. So you don't have to do 8. 6 works. Whew. Wish the air would come on. It's a scorcher today. Well over 100 again. Let me look at the weather. Give me a moment. I'm going to look at the weather. This is Snowflower. Give me just a moment. Where's my weather app? Weather app. Yeah, well over 100 today forecast. I think it's already close to that, and it's only 10:30 in the morning. And we've got a little bit of humidity, not a lot, but more than we normally have, so it feels yuck, sticky and yuck. Where else do I want one? Over here, huh? I think that's good. I'm good with that. So this one was called Snowflower. Let me erase all my pencil behind there. I'm just going to do a little bit of shading. String 41, assign it, and a little bit of shading. Close that, open that. Do my overlaps. Once I get my overlaps in, which aren't very many, it's just those few, then I can figure out, oh, I should shade where it overlaps the little spiky thing, huh? Yes, I should. Okay. Okay. Then what? Do I want a little bit of color on this one? I think it might want just a tad of color. Markers or color pencil? Color pencil. Pardon me for reaching. This one's going to be Process Red, Rouge Quinacridone. Just a teeny bit in the middle, like that. And then I think I'm going to want my was going to do my blender pencil, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to do a lighter color that goes with that color to blend. This one is light peach, and I'm going to use that to blend like that. Okay, that is fun. I like that. I like these colors. Get a little bit of that pencil off of there. Okay. I got a tad of color outside my box. Try to pick that up. Not that it makes that much difference, but yeah. Okay, so I got a little pink one. I think I'm going to stick with this peach, and I'm just going to change my base color. I want one fun blue one, I think. This one's called Ultramarine. And then I think maybe I'll put a purple. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. And blending with the peach. And see what that does. It's all right. Made it a little more pastel. And I like the peach at the ends because it makes them all kind of the same. Like that. I like that. Okay. And then maybe a purple. What color purple do I want? Kind of a pinky purple? Let's try this pinky purple. Ugh, can't get it on my case. There we go. Mulberry. And why am I coloring? Because I feel like coloring. Using Tangles do not have to stay black and white if they are not calling. If they're calling for color, put in color. It's okay. You can. It's your art. Do what you want. You are the artist. Something like that. That one looks an awful lot like that one, but it's different. I know it's different. And then I think, put the peach away. Where did I get the peach from? I got the peach from there. And I think I want some kind of a green. What color is that? That one's called olive green. No, I want grass green, I think. We're gonna go with grass green for the spirals that are out here. And then I'll get yellow for the middle. Yellow? Yeah, kind of an orangey yellow for the middles. I'm gonna go with this one. Yellow to orange. Okay, so when I said I wanted an orangey yellow, I guess I picked yellow orange. There we go. Little bit of color in our day today. Still didn't take very long, even though I colored it. It still didn't take that long, which means that it was a nice, simple, easy pattern to do, right? Which is a good thing because it's so darn hot. I'm not sure I can sit here much longer. I'm going to have to go cool off. And I really don't want to turn on the air because I'm trying so hard not to run it unless I absolutely have to. But I can go get myself an ice cream and a little bit of cool wet wash rag. Put that on my legs. That will make me feel better. Not on my head, on my legs. I don't know why I said my legs, not my head, but you know, a cool wash rag somewhere will cool me off. And you know, it's not that I don't have the air on. I do. I try to leave it like at 85, 86 when we're not home. I put it to like 84 when I am home, unless I just can't stand it, and then I cool it down to like 80. I try not to go down to 78 if I can manage, because you know, better for my pocketbook to not try to cool off the house that much. Okay, so you guys have a great day. I will go get myself cooled off. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Sunday. It will be July 16th. And it will be the eve of the 1-year anniversary of daily patterns on pattern-collections.com. That's pretty amazing. I will have to remind Nicole of this. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.